We are here at the Amsterdam Science Park. Here you can find the roots of the Dutch internet. And it's great to have the next historical step from the NLEX with the 800 gig being deployed.
Historically, we have ISP and hosted providers which are located in one location. But the new type of customers we have are the enterprise customers connecting to clouds, workloads, applications, which are all over Europe, so they're not just in one location. An average company uses about 150 applications in the outside world. So in the new type of customers, it's much more important to be connected all over Europe. And that's why we built a network throughout data centers all over Europe to serve both the enterprise customers and the ISP customers. Our network covers all relevant data centers in Northwestern Europe, about 100 data centers. London, Amsterdam, Frankfurt, Paris, Marseille, etc. Because applications can be in Denmark and a customer can be in Paris and they still need to be able to reach each other. We actually have two networks to make sure that we can provide the resilience that customers want. So we have an A and a B network for that. We're early in the game, but what we see is that 800 gig is a technology that is both most cost efficient and most energy efficient. So we expect all big players, content players, video streaming parties, to eventually grow to the 800 gig port capacities. So we have to be prepared for the needs of those type of customers. And we are prepared. So we rolled out this technology first in Amsterdam now, with over 20 data centers throughout Amsterdam, where we have the 800 and 400 gig capability available today, right now. So our customers can grow with us to the future. And we're proud of that because that's not just for us, it's for Amsterdam, it's an important growth. Because Amsterdam is one of the biggest internet hubs in Europe, and we can enable the growth of that internet hub in this way. I'm proud that we've been able to do this in a very cost-efficient way, which also makes it better for our customers and not raising the prices too much.
We've worked with Nokia before. We chose Nokia as our pan-European optical supplier, and the relationship we've built with Nokia on that part was incredible. And as soon as we heard of their FP5 technology, we instantly knew that that was the way forward for us to go. And with the FP5 we can increase the bandwidth to 800G per customer, but also lower our power footprint because the new efficiency levels they reach with this. The Nokia core is more efficient than we expected them to be, reducing our power footprint from 0.8 watts per gigabit to 0.1 watts per gigabit. And with the new deployment and simplified design of the network, we're expecting further reducing in cost and power consumption. The next step will be deploying this technology to our European fabric. So the next one will be Frankfurt, and after that Paris, Düsseldorf, Berlin, Copenhagen, Dublin will be the next ones to upgrade with this new technology.